Safe is on.
Let's see that.
By the other side.
Dang, that's weird.
You can adjust the stock too if you need to.
Yeah.
Do what?
Adjust the stock.
Oh.
That's more comfortable for me all the way back.
Yeah, you got longer arms. Boom.
Sure that wasn't the last one.
Oh,
I think
who's
it
that?
was.
Was it the last? No, it's got more.
It just didn't chamber it.
Huh.
It's on safe.
I see. Where'd it go?
It's to the left of it.
Oh. It's fully empty.
Oh, it's already empty.
That's so close it scared the Dr. Pepper out of it.
Said you hit it high. You're aiming high.
It's hard to shoot from a standing position through a scope. It is really hard to shoot standing. Huh, that one was still good.
It just got caught.
Why it's doing that?
Yeah, it just